Before I knew your voice, I prayed your heart. Through quiet nights, though miles apart, I asked the Lord for someone true, and all along He made you new.
Before I saw your face, I knelt and cried, Lord, send the one to walk beside. Through every season, dark and new, He wrote this day and led me to you. I prayed for you, you prayed for me, before our hearts had eyes to see. Now faith and love have found their place.